Okay, so you have to move and you have to take your washing machine. Well, you have to disconnect your hot and cold hoses for the washing machine, and sometimes these valves leak. This white box here should catch all the drips and drain it to the outside, but sometimes you need to stop the drip, stop the leak. You can get faucet caps for about $2 a piece, and after you unscrew these hoses here and here, just screw on the caps. That should stop the leak and save you some money. Just another friendly tip from Flow Right Plumbing.